There are a lot of Khudam moving out to go to school or even after school for new job opportunities. What is your advice for them to stay connected to Jama'at in a new environment?
Wherever they are moving, if there is any Jama'at there, then you should ask them. Whenever they are moving from one majlis to the other majlis, then the Khudam al-Ahmadiyya system should be quite efficient. Whenever they come there, then immediately they take them into their arms and fold of the system so that they remain attached to the Jama'at and the majlis. So if they are well trained, if the tarbiyat is good from the very beginning, so those who are attached to the Jama'at in one majlis, they will definitely get themselves attached to the Jama'at in the other majlis. They cannot live without the Jama'at.
Yeah.
But if they are lazy in the first Jama'at, they will be lazy in the second Jama'at. So it is up to you that whenever you move from one Jama'at to the other Jama'at or majlis to the other majlis, your respective secretary tarbiyat or nazam tarbiyat should try to get hold of them, contact them, and then bring them near to the Jama'at. It all depends on the efficiency of your system in your respective Jama'ats. If a person moves from one Jama'at to the other, immediately the Qaid or Nazim of the previous Jama'at should inform the other Jama'at that the person is moving to their Jama'at, so try to contact him. And also, they should be well trained and well connected with the Jama'at, that whenever they move from one place to the other place, they themselves try to contact the Majlis and Jama'at there. They don't let them go astray and just get hold of them immediately whenever they move from one place to the other place.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Jazakallah.